Alrighty, Sharp Customs. We're over in the parking lot. It's February the 15th here. It's a little bit chilly, but I thought I would bring out, look, one of my fog lights fell off. That's okay. I don't even think it was glued. I think it was just sitting there. I didn't even put the wheel inserts on. It's all dirty. Look, we've got the blower on there. We're gonna fire it up and we're gonna run it and we're gonna see what it looks like. What do you say? Here, the day after Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I thought we would get out here while the parking lot is not you know, corrupt with vehicles, everybody going to church, because it's gonna happen very shortly. They have a, you know, it's like they do 4 or 5 church things every Sunday, and we were actually just sitting at the house watching Daytona, and we paused it just to come over to do a short little Sharp Customs video. Oh, by the way, yeah, I don't know if I said it, but we are rolling. I'm gonna fire it up. We're gonna get it on. I'm gonna take both the fog lights off because they were just sitting on there. Hopefully she fires right up. Let me open up a door. Not like that. Lost the vent there, I can see. Oh, I don't even know if that was attached. Okay, we'll just pick up the pieces as they fall off. Oh, it's really sandy. So much sand in this parking lot. No grip. It's cold, it's sandy. It is a little chilly out. Oh, we don't like when she stalls out like that, but it happens. Got the door stuck. Probably just not burning on it enough. That wasn't good. But you've seen it here on the show before. Yeah, we lost the windshield wiper, we lost the windshield, we lost the top of the supercharger. It's like it was pushing there big time. It didn't want to turn. Yeah, I'll put the pieces in my pocket along with the other pieces. This is a pretty fragile little piece. I'm surprised it didn't break, but I'm gonna try and put it in my pocket very gently. Windshield, I'm gonna leave the windshield because I'm gonna try and fire it back up again. I don't know why it didn't want to turn there. Oh, not good. I think we just bent something there. That door's probably never going back down properly. Nope. Just bent it. You know, these things happen. And that's all I can do is, I probably bent the, there we go. See if we can do some more donuts. head her back to the shop. I think we've done enough donuts. Looks pretty sweet though, even with the missing pieces. Well, there you have it. We made her to the gate. Yeah, she's a little beat up. She's got some scuffs. I hit something on that front corner. I think I got all the bits and pieces. Most of them were just hot glued on. So I was actually surprised that most of the stuff stayed on there. And we got Mr. Max right behind the gate here. There he is, Mr. Max. Watch out. Oh, look, we just lost a mirror. Yeah, you gotta watch that because he'll try and eat it. Come on in the gate. Come on in the gate. My hands are freezing. I didn't wear my gloves. And Mr. Max. Let Johnny finish. Let me finish. I think that's where we'll end this one. Don't forget to comment. I'm going to take you all into the shop, but I kind of got my hands full. I can't really pick up the car. It's a little beat up. Hey, we'll fix it up. That's what I do, man. I run these. That's why I build them. That is the whole purpose behind them. I don't run them. I don't build them just to sit them on the shelf and, you know, watch them sit there and do nothing. Let's take it in the shop anyway. That piece. Oh, she's nice and warm in here. Woo! There we go. Yeah, we bent the bracket on the door. Not sure what happened there. Don't know why this door is not working. Ah, it's working. There we go. There's just metal brackets. This one's probably just getting stuck. Yeah, there we go. Move my gloves. Windshield, all that stuff was just hot glued in there. But yeah, it's not actually that we didn't get that much debris inside there. There was a lot of sand and salt over there in that parking lot. Let's see what we got here. Let's see the we get the windshield wiper and a door window rail, and we got the supercharger. We got a mirror. I think I got all the parts. Oh, we got that rear vent back there. kind of think that was just sitting on there. And I think that's it. That's all we lost. Yeah, everything else stayed. Yeah, we took a hit right there. Look at that. We took a hit coming off the curb right there because she sits so low. Nothing. A little bit of black paint touch up can't fix, but there you have it, man. Sharp Customs. Don't. Yeah, our hands are free. It's colder than you think it is out there. Not bad though. But there you have it, man. Don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And until the next one, peace. I'm out.